So I had got Morphe's 35M Boss Mood palette. I had to get it because it reminded me of Halloween, and I'm a straight October baby. Plus it's called Boss Mood. It's like I had to. I feel like there's just the right amount of shimmers and mattes. You could do so many makeup looks with this. I'm going to show you guys some swatches going down the palette from left to right. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. The first colors that I noticed in the palette was green and purple, so I'm going to do a look like that. I'm using my Shape Tape concealer in the shade Tan Sand as my eyeshadow base. That's also what I used around my eyebrows. So then I'm using the shade Stroke of Luck above my crease. You just want to keep going back and forth softly with a fluffy brush. So I'm going for that halo eye look. So I'm taking Green with Envy on the outer corners of my eye and just kind of swooping it back and forth to give that halo effect. And then I'm taking Hello Sunshine and putting that in the center of my eyelid. So then I'm going back with that Green with Envy and darkening up those outer corners. You can do this as much as you want till you get to that desired look. Then I'm taking one of the shimmer shades, Bold Moves, and putting that on the center of the lid. And then those outer corners just wasn't dark enough for me, so I took Black Magic and just deepened it up a little bit. And then I said I might as well just knock this eyeliner out. I use eyeshadow first just because in case I make any mistakes, it's just a lot easier. I like to clean up my eyeshadow with my foundation, so I'll kind of go under the brow just to kind of give it that ombre effect. And I'm going to use one of the shimmer shades, Grape Expectations, under the waterline, then Bold Moves in my tear duct, then going back in with that Black Magic to touch up. Then gonna do my normal beat face, you know, foundation, concealer, contouring. I am using Rihanna's new Gloss Bomb Diamond Milk. I love it, by the way. You can use it with lip liner or without. It looks bomb either way. And this is the finished look. I'm honestly in love with this palette. You guys let me know if you loved it too. Don't forget to hit subscribe and comment and like. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time. Mwah.